Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use make.com to automate AI personalized sales videos that you can use for cold emails, sending out sales demos, and prospecting. So let's dive right into it today. First, I'm going to walk you through the guide and then I'll dive right into make.com. So just an overview of this system. The first thing that it's going to do is capture a scrolling video. So for example, this is going to be a dynamic system to where you can put your lead's website in and then it'll go to the website to do a screen recording of you basically scrolling on the website. Next, what it's going to do is create a AI talking head video, which is essentially what this video is right now. It's a video of me, just a headshot of me talking. And then from there, it's going to combine both those videos to create you a automated personalized video. Now, one thing to call out here is that talking head video created with AI is going to be ran through Heygen. So it'll be a video of you and it'll be a video that sounds like you as well. This is basically must-haves for this exact workflow for make.com. Obviously, you're going to need a make.com account. You're going to need Airtable to store your data, and to create a template, you can use Google Sheets. Heygen account for your avatar. You can use a video or avatar of yourself, or they do have avatars in there that you can use of someone else. Creatomate. You want to make sure you have a Creatomate account. This is so you can create the dynamic videos, and then Google Drive access so you can store those videos as well. Lastly, you're going to need a screenshot one API key, which is free. So step one is setting up your Airtable database. Setting up this make.com, all you have to do is import the provided template. It's going to be below inside the description. Go ahead and grab that template and then you can follow along. When you're inside of make.com, one of the things you're going to do is make sure that you connect to the Heygen integration that they have. Make sure you have your API key there and sign into your account. Basically, using this system, you can add the prospects or add your leads to the Airtable. From the Airtable, it's going to go ahead and grab the name, company, and website URL and use it in your scripting to when you're creating that video with Heygen and changing the status. Essentially, what this automation will do is find whatever, let's say for example, lead is labeled as pending. It'll go to that lead's website based on the URL that you have there, and then from there it will create a scrolling video of that website. Basically going to make it seem like you went to that lead's website, seeing what they have going on. Next, it's going to generate a AI talking head video through Heygen. One thing I didn't touch in here is 11 Labs. I did use 11 Labs so I can have a better voice. 11 Labs voice is better than the ones that are in Heygen, just to call that out. So from there, what the automation would do is once it gets the scrolling video and the AI talking video of yourself, it'll combine them through Creatomate and create a dynamic video. Everything you're going to need to do this automation is a Heygen account. You may need 11 Labs. This is not necessary, but if you want a better video that sounds exactly like you, that doesn't sound robotic, I'll go ahead and get an 11 Labs account and then screenshot one. This is so you can create those videos of you on your lead's website and it'll scroll automatically for you. You don't have to do anything. And then lastly, Creatomate, this will be here so you can essentially create dynamic videos. And then lastly, Airtable database. What I'm going to do is just show you a video that I did create. Let's pull that up.
Hi, Dre. Came across AI advertising playbook while scrolling LinkedIn. I saw you're using SendSpark. I've got a simple template that does the same thing for a one-time cost versus monthly fees. Let me know if you want to check it out, and I'll send over my availability.
It was just an example video, so obviously it's not the highest quality. So let's dive right into the make automation. If you look in make.com, I have it set up to where it's triggered by a search record Airtable event. So what this is going to do is when it triggers, it's going to look for any lead on Airtable that says pending. From there, if it says pending, it's going to send a HTTP request to screenshot one to visit whatever website is in this Airtable for that pending lead, and it's going to create a video of a scrolling video of their website. From there, it's going to create a file. That file is going to upload to Google Drive, and then it downloads that file and sends it to Airtable. Once it gets to Airtable, it'll go directly to Heygen. So this Heygen is an integration with make.com, which makes it a lot easier. And then what this is, you'll just set it up to where you pick your avatar, you pick what scale you want it to be. Obviously, you want to put circle, so it's just a little headshot video. And if you want to offset it, you can change it or not, but you don't have to because the dynamic video template will do that for you. And then from there, You can select your voice. My professional voice is the one I created with 11 lives. After that, you can input your script. This is just an example script. This is the same one that you just heard. And then you can change the speed of how fast or slow you want your avatar to talk. And then the pitch, and obviously the emotion. And then this is the template for the title that you want to create. So I made it dynamic. So each lead will be name, company name, and then the timestamp on when the video was generated, and then captions. You don't have to have that on. So once Heygen gets all of the data, so once it gets the website video, it goes over here and gets stored in Airtable. Once Airtable receives it, it goes to Heygen. Heygen creates the video based on the name that is here and all information acquired from the automation so far. This tools here is just basically a wait module because it's going to take a little bit to generate. So you just set up the wait module. I have mine for 115 seconds, but like I said, depending on the script, it's going to depend on how long that video is going to take to generate. From there, once it's generated, it'll go right over to get video. The get video is going to pull the video ID of the video that was generated. So once that video ID is grabbed right here, it'll send it to Airtable and it'll be a video link directly to that Heygen video. And then from there, this is a CradleMate integration. The CradleMate is where you create that dynamic video, and it's essentially a template that I created to where every video is going to basically have the circle, which is going to be the video of me talking, and then it's going to be the background, which will be nothing on a template, but once it creates, it's going to be whatever website video recording is there. So this background web content link is the video file we created from here, from screenshot 1. And then we have the name. So that name is going to be whatever lead is in this Airtable, which is going to generate on that video itself. And then face recording is going to be whatever Heygen generated. And then screenshot 1 will go ahead, or CradleMate will go ahead and create that video. Once that video is created, take a couple seconds, it'll be stored in Airtable. You can go ahead and grab the template for this automation down below. I'll also drop that setup guide there as well, so you can go ahead and set this up on your own. And if you want help setting this up, go ahead and join my free community where I show you exactly how to set this up.